Hey guys, it's Joe from GadgetryTech.com, and today we're going to do a really quick review on the Netgear ProSafe 24-port switch. This is the JGS524, and I've seen it go anywhere from about $120, $125 all the way up to about $185, depending on who you're buying it from. If you can find it at a Best Buy, they're usually on sale there, and they're actually cheaper than what you can find at Amazon. I like this one because there's not a lot of management built into it. It literally just expands your router or any other network you already have set up. Gives you 24 ports, but it's also rack mountable. So if you have a small network rack at your home because you have your whole house pre-wired, this is a very cost-effective solution for your home. So that's the reason why I picked this one up. I have a PoE Power over Ethernet 28-port switch from Zyxel, which is over $500. Has a fan, gets noisy, so I can't really recommend that for where most people would have their structure can putting in their house. If you're watching this video and you have new home construction, this is a great unit to get. So like I said, 24 ports. One will be used as your uplink. That's what you'll connect to your router or gateway, wherever your internet provider is. And that's all there is to it. Let's open this guy up. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, actually, before we get too far, I want to check the warranty. I might have to add it. Yeah, Netgear, when you get the ProSafe line especially, this has a lifetime warranty, and Netgear is actually really good about standing by their products. So again, if you're installing this in a home and you don't want to worry about it or deal with it again, not only is it a good price, but it's very well built. It's your traditional Netgear blue metal chassis that you used to see on all their old switches. Has an installation guide. I guess we'll see what kind of software or whatever they're suggesting with that. But let's open this up. It's about as standard as it gets. All the ports are up front, and you have a standard power cord for the back. There's no power supply. It's going to use a normal cable just like a computer would. It's like a NUMA cable. This. Oh, there we go. Rack mount ears. Let's see if you can reverse it. Looks like you can. And what I mean by that, so you have the hardware to actually mount this to a rack. I don't see drywall screws, but I will tell you why I'm bringing this up. Some switches, like this one, especially when they're small and light, you can mount the ears two different ways. So if you mount them the traditional way, let's just stick it on real quick. Traditional way is like this, and it'll fill a 19-inch rack, no problem. Now, if you want to wall mount it, let's say you don't have a rack, but you just have this in a modem, or a router, if you will, that came from your cable or fiber DSL provider, etc. You can mount this like this instead, which allows you to stick the unit on the wall vertically. So it may fit in a structure can. If not, you can put it right above or below it, or next to it, of course. But I love that ability to do that, because once the unit's mounted, it looks nice and clean, and you don't have to have it sticking off the wall too far. So again, $150 roughly on average. Very versatile switch, very well made. Not any features to worry about setting up or screwing up. Literally plug and play, and you'll be good to go. And then you can just keep using your router to manage your network. It does come with rubber feet in case you don't mount it. So let's take a quick look at the software just in case, or the book. Make sure we're not missing anything. Yeah, it's literally just telling you how to plug it in. So this is as easy as it gets, guys. Now there's some features built in, of course, from a security standpoint, such as DOS or denial of service attacks on the switch. It'll drop packets after a while and make sure you don't take down your network. So a couple little security things are built in, which is fine. Honestly, you're not really going to worry about that. It's more about what your router and external firewall prevent, not so much a switch. Strong recommendation. I'm sorry I dragged this out. It's kind of unscripted because this is a pretty straightforward review, but I wanted to get this product in particular because it's probably my #1 recommendation for people that just need a switch in their home and they have a lot of cables. Big home with a lot of ports inside. You don't want to buy expensive hardware. This is a great, reliable solution. I'm going to mount this up, and we'll do some performance testing, but it is rated at full gigabit, so you shouldn't see any slowdowns. Typically, your internet provider is going to be your weakest link to the web, not your switch. So that about covers it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment below. Otherwise, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.